How to change steering in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're struggling to control your car or feeling like your steering in the game is too hard to manage, here's how you can easily fix that. First of all, launch open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 on your device and wait until you reach the main menu. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner and then click on Settings at the top center. Inside Settings, you'll see the touch steering option over here. Simply go ahead and press this next button to change your steering type. After making a selection, you can then head back to the game. Just go ahead and play a race and you'll be able to see the difference. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the steering in Beach Buggy Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.